I have a new arrival today at Westport Auto Center. This is a 1970 Chevrolet C10 truck. Short bed, step side, frame off restored, fully loaded, super nice truck, upgraded suspension, built 350, ceramic headers, Wilwood 4-wheel disc brakes, power steering, custom gauges, tilt, ice cold air. Just a nice truck. Little over 500 miles. There's some of the suspension down there. A little over 500 miles on the restoration. Basically like new in the wrapper stuff. Wilwood disc brakes. Super nice truck. Again, Wilwood disc brakes. Paint is fantastic. Drip rails look fantastic. Just a nice truck. Very healthy engine. Coilovers on all four corners. Goodyear tires. You'll find about 75 pictures at www.westportautocenter.com. Please like and share the video, subscribe to the channel, help us grow. Leave your comments below. Any input would be appreciated. Just nicely done truck. Very well sorted. Custom interior. Finish behind the cab. Just well thought restoration. If you'd like to talk to somebody in person, my name's Mark. You can call 314-346-6039. Be more than happy to answer any questions you got. If you'd like to fly in, personally check out the truck yourself, just forward us your flight itinerary. Lambert, St. Louis International, it's the airport, it's one and the same. Been more than happy to pick you up, take you to any one of our 3 warehouses, look at the truck, car, whatever one you like, take it for a drive, put it up on a rack, make sure it's a good fit for you. Nice padded stitch dash, just super cool. So we're gonna take, and it does have a, it's pretty cool, it's got a push button start on it. We'll take this for a ride, Haley. And I said 625 miles on the frame off restoration. www.westportautocenter.com. Truck's got quite a bit of power. Straight down the road. Wilwood just brakes to stop on a dime. Ice cold air, nice sound system. Pretty much checks all the boxes. Padded headliner, stitched dash. A lot of truck for the money. Again, you'll find all these pictures at www.westportautocenter.com. My phone number is 314